Hi, my name's Lucy. Through my teenage years, I'd always been active in sports and dance, and even as a young woman in my 20s, I've always worked out and exercised. I've always been within my ideal body weight, and fitness had always been really important to me. When I had my little boy, I got off the baby weight, I worked out really hard, I was really pleased with everything, but I was left with this little pooch around my center. I had gone to a few other surgery centers and had consultations, and I just did not have this feeling of comfort that made me certain enough to decide that liposuction would be the procedure for me. I knew some of the other procedures were a little too aggressive for what I was trying to achieve. A friend of mine had referred me to the Swan Center, and the moment I walked in, I felt completely comfortable with the staff, and even just a few minutes later when I actually met Dr. Fardo, I knew within the first 2 minutes that I wanted to have this procedure done. And I think what set Dr. Fardo apart was that he had talked to me about other parts of the procedure, considering doing the front and the back. I had a very, very good recovery, and I'm now 2 years healed, and I couldn't be happier with the results. I just have this very feminine physique now. I feel confident. I'm able to wear dresses and things that I actually probably didn't even feel comfortable wearing before I had my son. And it's one of these things where a lot of my friends don't really know that I had something done, but they can tell that I'm a lot more confident than I used to be, and I think sometimes I can't figure out why, and it's nice having that little secret. So overall, I've just been really, really pleased with the results, and I highly recommend anyone who's considering this procedure to consider Dr. Fardo and the Swan Center.